People in Israel and in Gaza enclave are protesting. Both Palestinians and Israelis are not happy with their respective governing authorities. The long-drawn Hamas-Israel war has killed and separated families. Neither are they content with the solution proposed by the US president.
We are here today actually to send a very clear message to our Prime Minister. Your problems are here, we are your citizens, and you have to solve the problem with us. Going to Hungary, then to the US will not solve any problem. We have to solve the problems here. Stop dividing us. The Supreme Court, the army, the security services, the police, we are here forever. You fail.
Enough blood, by God. A message from me, Mr. Trump, Mr. Netanyahu. Enough war, enough bloodshed among children. You are killing innocent children. You are not killing the resistance. If you were killing the resistance, it would have ended in the first place.
Egypt and Jordan, key regional players, have rejected any idea of absorbing Palestinian refugees. Arab nations and human rights groups warn that forcibly removing the population from their homeland violates international law and could ignite regional unrest. A few months back, in a joint statement, France, Jordan and Egypt supported the idea of the Palestinians regaining control of Gaza, a proposal long dismissed by Israel.
France also agrees with Egypt on one major point, and I want to reiterate it here forcefully. We firmly oppose the displacement of populations and any annexation of Gaza or the West Bank. This would be a violation of international law and a serious threat to the security of the entire region, including that of Israel. Hamas must have no part in this governance and must no longer pose a threat to Israel.
The region emphasizes on post-war roadmap that respects Palestinian sovereignty and avoid unilateral moves that risk worsening the crisis. In this, the US president's plan appears more like a bold campaign statement than a diplomatically viable roadmap. But the timing, as Israel escalates military operations, could shift global discourse. Trump may well push forward with this idea, putting Washington at odds with not just the Arab world, but potentially Europe too. For now, his vision faces massive political, ethical and logistical hurdles. With Harsh Rajput, Bureau Report, India Today Global.